And what's up, people? Today I'm going to be showing you a juicy and very delicious double stack cheeseburger, and I know you're definitely going to love my homemade recipe, so don't skip any part. Just follow my recipe and you're going to love it. So first off, I'm going to toast my buns. As you can see, I have 2 buns. So I bought my buns from the supermarket and they're extremely so good. I split my buns in 2, as you can see. So now I'm going to toast them. So I didn't have time to make my own buns, that's why I'm using the supermarket ones. But one of these fine days, I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade buns. Burger buns, scones, whichever, I'm going to be showing you. So you're going to toast your buns for around a minute or so. It depends on the flames you're using. So what we want, it's a little bit of brown color on top of it so that the buns can be crunchy. So my burger buns are ready and they're looking so lovely. So I'm going to add the rest. So my burger buns are ready, as you can see. So I'm going to keep this aside and let them cool. For my burger patties, I'm going to be using a few spices. So first off, I'm going to start with half a teaspoon of black pepper, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon basil. So I'm going to combine all my ingredients or spices together. So also you can double up the amount of spices if you're making a lot of burgers. So this is just enough for my burgers. So I'm going to keep this aside because our burger seasoning is ready. I'm using beef for my patties, and something you should know is that to make your patty more juicier, you should buy meat that is a little bit fatty, not lean meat. So don't go buying lean meat because your patty will be dry. It will be so dry. So buy meat that is a little bit fatty and you're going to love the results. So I bought my meat for 300 bob, as you can see, and it's so fatty. As you can see, fat is well distributed into the meat. This is going to make me a very juicy burger, as you can see. So this is what we're looking for. To my meat, I'm going to be adding our seasoning that we just made. Then I'm going to add 1 egg. Next, I'm going to add Worcestershire sauce. I don't know if I'm saying it right because this name is a little bit hard for me. So I've added about 3 dashes of Worcestershire sauce. And lastly, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Then now I'm going to use my hands and combine all these ingredients together. So don't be shy. So also you should know that you shouldn't overmix the ingredients, or you shouldn't overwork the mix. Yeah, that is what I'm trying to say. So the egg and the breadcrumbs act as a way of making it easier for the burger to stay together. I don't know if that makes sense. We are trying to, it's like gluing the patty together. So my meat is ready. So the first thing you need to do is wet your hands like so that the meat doesn't stick on your hands. Then you're going to pick up your meat and try making a patty. So all you have to do is press on the meat a little bit. I'm also trying to shape the meat to the size of my burger. So just press on the sides to try and make a round shape. So it's that easy. So I've made one. I'm going to place it on a parchment paper. Then I'm going to do the rest. So you try and make the burger patties equal. My beef patties are ready, and also I'm going to be using cheese and some cooking oil. To my pan, I'm going to add a little bit of cooking oil. Just a little bit. So my cheddar cheese is the sliced one, as you can see. I forgot to say that. It is sliced, but you can also, if you have the block one, you can slice it using a knife and still works the same. I'm going to spread my oil in the pan. Then I'm going to pick up my patty and drop it in my pan. I'm using medium-high flame to make my patties. So you're going to leave this for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. But also make sure to watch your patties so that they don't burn. So after 3 to 4 minutes, flip the other side so that the burger can cook. That's all. That is exciting. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm excited. This is the level of excitement I'm having today, because today I'm going to eat my homemade burgers. And something that excites me the most is that it is a double stack burger, cheeseburger. Yeah, today is the day. I'm going to call this day a cheat day. But anyway, any day, a cheat day is almost every day, because you always indulge in something nice. So this is like 2 minutes of frying this patties. So also something else you should know is that you shouldn't press down your burger. Don't do that. Just let it cook. If you have the right flames, your meat could cook through. So you can also reduce the flame a little bit if you notice that the burger wants to burn in the first 2 minutes, so that your burger can cook through. So don't press. So now it's time to flip. Wow, look at that. So I'm going to place my cheese on top of the burger. Then I'm going to add a little bit of water and cover so that the cheese can melt. So after a minute, as you can see, my cheese has melted. I'm going to transfer this to a plate. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This is the second round of my patties. So I've already made the first one. So I'm going to drop in my meat. And this time round, I'm using medium flame because I realized my medium high was a little bit too hot. So I'm using medium flame. As our burger patties are cooking, I'm going to be making my sauce. I'm going to be using mayonnaise, mustard and ketchup, and a little bit of salt. So let's do this. So for my ketchup, I'm going to be adding about 3 tablespoons of ketchup, about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise also, and mustard, about 1.5 teaspoons of mustard. So I'm going to flip my patty. Wow, it's looking lovely and it has a little bit of char on top. So that is a very good sign of a juicy burger. So I'm going to mix up my sauce and it's looking lovely. I love how mustard adds a little bit of tang to your sauce. I always love it. So for my mustard, I'm using yellow mustard. Let me have a try at this. So good. So I'm going to keep this aside and watch over my patties. And it's been around 3 minutes on the other side and they're looking good and juicy. Woo! So I'm going to place cheese on top of my patties. Then I'm going to add a little bit of water to steam up so that the cheese can be melted. Just a little bit. So my burgers are ready. So you're going to turn off your gas or cooker. It's time to assemble my burger, and here I have some lettuce, tomatoes, onion rings, my burger patties, my sauce and my buns. So first off, I'm going to layer my buns with my sauce. Look at that sauce. Oh my god, it's so tasty. If you don't have those ingredients in your kitchen, make a point of buying them because you'll surely enjoy your burger. So they're looking all dolled up. So I'm going to put this aside. And as I said, we are making a double stack cheeseburger. So we'll be using 2 burger patties. Wow. Wow. Woohoo! The cheese is all melting up on me. Then I'm going to add my onion rings on top. Yummy, yummy. I'm super excited about this one. Tomato. Then I'm going to add some more sauce. Some more sauce on top of my tomatoes. I love a messy burger. Next, some lettuce. Wow! My double stack cheeseburger is better than some restaurant burgers. Then I've also added some sauce in my top bun. So I'm going to place it on top. My burger is ready and it's looking amazing, and oh my god, I'm drooling. I don't know, I'm just drooling. I just can't wait to dig in. So I hope you all try out this double stack cheeseburger recipe and hope you enjoy. And I hope you enjoy it more than the restaurant one, because homemade food is always the best. So I hope you all try out this recipe, and if you find it amazing, please let me know in the comment section. And also, by the way, if you're new here, welcome to Infoods. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time we upload a video. We upload weekly, so don't miss out. So catch you on my next episode. Ciao.